I will talk about how can you enable routine morning on your Stayfree app. We're going to figure out this solution on know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. Then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications here. Then come to next step here. Then you click here on morning routine here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to morning routine here. Click in this sign. So then you click here on OK. So then it's going to take us to next step here. So in here, just go down here. So you keep going down. And here you're looking for Stayfree app. Then you click on it here, enable it here. So when you enable it, you go down. Then here morning routine, it's going to enable with you when you click in this sign. And here can you select your time and here days. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.